Hello friends, today is May 13, 2025 and today daily law is recognize the deep narcissists before you fall for them. In this chapter, the author says you can recognize deep narcissists by following behavior patterns. If they are ever insulted or challenged, they have no defense, nothing internal to soothe them or validate their worth. They generally react with great rage, thirsting for vengeance, full of sense of righteousness, full of sense of righteousness, full of a sense of righteousness. This is the only way they know how to assuage their insecurities. In such battles, they will position themselves as the wounded victim, confusing others and even drawing sympathy. They are prickly and oversensitive. Almost everything is taken personally. They can become quite paranoid and have enemies in all directions to point to. You can see an impatient or distant look on their face whenever you talk about something that does not directly involve them in some way. They immediately turn the conversation back to themselves with some story or anecdote to distract from the insecurities behind it. They can be prone to various bouts of envy if they see others getting the attention they feel they deserve. They frequently display extreme self confidence. This always helps to gain attention and it neatly covers up their gaping inner emptiness and their fragmented sense of self. But beware if this confidence is ever truly put to the test when it comes to other people in their lives. Deep narcissists have an unusual relationship that is hard for us to understand. If they tend to see others as extensions of themselves, what is known as self objects.